Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to configure uh, Windows Server 2012. So after downloading the VirtualBox, you can start your Windows Server installing. The first one is you will make a file path for your Windows so you can assign a storage for your Windows Server. So you will go to Settings and click Network and select Bridge Adapter. After that, go to Storage for the storage of your server. Select your file path and click it. Then, OK. Now, you can start installing to your Windows Server 2012 by clicking the Start. After after that, it will load and it will start set up your. Now you can start installing your Windows Server 2012. After the setup, select Windows Server 2012 R2 Standard Server Configuration. And next, agree the terms and services and select Customs Install Windows Only. And next, start installing. When installing, it takes few minutes installing your Windows. So wait until it finish. It takes uh, a few minutes. Wait until it's done. So when it's done and it is all already finished, you will sign the previous administrator that is given. So you can you can open the Windows Server 2012. Be patient when installing. Well, be patient because it takes time to to get to get ready for the Windows. So when it's done, as what I have said, after signing in the account that given, so you will go to the dashboards. So you can add rules and features wizard in server rule and select the Active Directory domain services and proceed to start another installation for the rules and features. Then install. When you start install, wait for a few seconds or more than a minute because it will take time to install. After installing, after when it's done, so you can close the table. So yeah, it is now you can close the table. Then start configuring the local server. So click computer and change its name and select a domain. Then edit the work group. After that, close it. Make sure when naming your computer, you will uh, remember it and select a domain. Make sure that the domain you create is visible. After that, you can close, but don't restart your Windows because it will make you to start again. So okay, and don't restart. Click the start later. After that, then go to the tools, and in the tools select the computer management. So in this time, so you can go select the local users and groups so that you can add a new user. Click the user file or the user folder, and now start creating start adding new user. So fill up the username, full name, and the description of that user that of that user you add. Then the password. Put you will put a password. So make sure that the password you create is you remember, because it will help you to sign in the Windows. Make sure that the password you create is match from what you have typed first. And also the password is has a required. So the password, make sure that the password that you type is reach the required length and security of your Windows. So you can add users as long as as long as you want. So make sure that the password is you make sure that the password that you type will match the user and reach the required security. So that one we will add another user. So we will put her name, then the username, and put a description as as long as what you have want to add, then the password. So after creating that, after adding that user, so try to sign out the first account that you use to sign in to add users. Then try to sign in the new one that you make. So it will sign in. Then you can try the another user that you add after signing in. After you sign out rather. So after you sign out the first one, so try the other user that you add. Okay, so it is it is sign in and try, and then sign out, then try the another one. So okay, after signing in the first user and sign out and try to sign in the another user. Okay, so type the password of the second user. Okay, typing the password. So yeah, as you can see, there is a problem when entering the password of the second user, but you can change the password directly on the spot. Make sure that the password you create and the confirmed password will match each other. So when creating the password, you will consider the length of the password, the complexity, or the history requirement of the domain, and make sure that you will not forget your password. As you can see, and make sure that the password is strong. So, but there's a problem. The password is did not reach or did not meet the required of the Windows. So you can change another one or the another password so that the password that will meet the required of the Windows. Okay, so typing the new password, at least the password that you type is strong and it will not make another interruption again or failed by signing in. Confirming the password, then you will sign in. So the password was already changed and the user was already signed in. So that's all. Sign out. Then try to sign in again. Okay. Type the password that the new updated password, and the user was signed in. So that's all for all the videos, and I hope there is a new thing that you learned. Thank you for watching.